shooters ready? Show me some hands. Beautiful. All right, load arrows. And miss fire.
Scoring archery targets for 4-H shooting sports is as simple as counting and adding. Anyone, any age can do it with a little practice.
Alright, so first you go from the X, and it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then if you get anywhere out of the 1, it's a 0. If it were to land like right here, then you would score that as a 4, because you always go to the highest score.
Scoring a 5-spot target is a bit different, as 10-year-old Sadie Tesh explains.
X, 5, 5, 4. On the 5 you go X, 5, 4, 4.
So actually you're not shooting where
And then anywhere out there is 0. But if you were to aim here and hit here, then you would still get a score even if you have another arrow there. On the scoring sheet, you go from your highest score to your lowest arrow. So like if you were to get like 4 X's, you'd go X, 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 and then like a 4 or 5 or whatever you get. So that's how that works. And then you add it up, like that would be a 24 with 4 X's.
What are you doing, Ragamuffin?
So,
Just wandering down here.
and then you just score 6 hands, and then you add it all up at the end, and whatever your total is, then that's what you get here.
Once an archer shoots and scores 6 complete rounds, a grand total is added from the round scores and X's. To recap, first archers shoot a round. Next, the scoring group meets at the targets. One person records all the scores. One person scores each target. One person pulls arrows after the recording is finished. And the final person watches the recorder to catch errors in hearing or writing. Scoring begins from the inside out, reading the X's first. X's in the first circle score 5 points each. All subsequent rings of the target decrease by 1 point each. Any arrow outside the final ring or not on the target receives a 0.
4, 3, 2,
take your target.
1, 0.
All scores for the respective round are then added. After all 6 rounds are complete, the group goes to the calculating table and may use calculators to finish adding and to double-check their math. Youth may ask for help totaling and double-checking score sheets. And finally, the entire group signs all of the score sheets, ensuring the duplicate copies show the same scores for each archer. Sheets are then turned into the stats table where youth receive their ribbon. At the state 4-H shoot, once the score sheets are turned into the head table, all scores are final, even if an adding error is discovered.
I have a 2, a 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, a 3, and a 2.